Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and click on the search bar. Following that, you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Then open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on Xiaomi. Then tap on all of those kind of dots and select Send in order to transfer all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only click on this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into some kind of Files app, going into, in my case, Images, and looking for Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!